Dangerous fires are a real threat at facilities around the world. The Spectrex SharpEye 4040 series of optical flame detectors are a major component of numerous industrial fire and gas detection systems. With a wide range of hydrocarbon fuels at various process facilities, the ability to quickly detect a flame is crucial to the protection of your employees and your valuable assets. When it comes to optical flame detection, Spectrex was the first to develop and commercialize triple infrared technology, and we continue to lead the industry in new innovations. At Spectrex, we manufacture all of our equipment in a state-of-the-art facility with the greatest attention to detail and quality. Each unit is individually tested and analyzed to ensure our customers receive the highest quality product available. The 4040 series of flame detectors have certifications and approvals for many applications and geographic locations, including hazardous area approvals for ATEX, IECEx, FM, FMC, CSA, GOST-R, GOST-K, and in Metro, with reliability approval to SIL 2, performance approvals to FM 3260 and EN 5410, and marine approval DNV. All 4040 series detectors have multiple wiring configurations with available outputs including 4 to 20 milliamp, alarm, fault, and auxiliary relay contacts, RS-485 Modbus, and optional HART protocol. Also standard on most models is a built-in test self-diagnostic feature to ensure detector lenses are clear of debris and that all sensors are functioning properly. The SharpEye 4040 series offers several distinct models designed for numerous applications, including the 4040i Triple IR flame detector is the most widely used model, with a detection range of up to 215 feet for a 1 square foot gasoline fire. This model is designed to be the most versatile detector with the widest range of applications. The 4040 UFL ultra-fast UV IR detector with upgraded detector range and response time can detect a 1 square foot explosive fire up to 65 feet. This model also has the ability to detect close-range, saturated explosive fires in as little as 20 milliseconds. The standard 4040LB and 4040L4B UV IR detectors with individual infrared spectral ranges for various applications and potential fuel sources. The 4040M Multi IR flame detector with the added advantage of long-range hydrogen fire detection with the same long-range hydrocarbon flame detection capabilities. Also available are the 4040UB single UV and 4040R single IR detectors for specific short-range applications. Using the latest in infrared and ultraviolet sensor technology, along with sophisticated detection algorithms, the 4040 series flame detectors can detect hydrocarbon and other general fires in typically 3 seconds. When it comes to detecting hazardous fires, the safety of your employees, and the protection of your assets, demand the best protection available. Demand the SharpEye 4040 flame detectors. Contact your local Spectrex representative for more information on the SharpEye 4040 series of flame detectors. Also, be sure to ask about our other SharpEye flame detector models, as well as our SafeEye open-path gas detectors. Contact information can be found at our website, www.spectrex.net. We look forward to speaking with you soon.